guys, welcome to Melanj here. My name's Armani and today I'm going to be showing you how to get these really easy blowout curls. I was sent the 14-inch Coil Curl clip-in and that is what I'm going to be using today. The first thing you want to do is prep your natural hair. I started off by blowing out my week-old hair. It does not need to be bone straight. And then you just want to separate your hair in little sections and start wand curling large chunks of hair. I'd say I did like 1 inch to 1.5 inch chunks at a time. You want to focus the tightness of the curl on the end of your hair. The roots aren't that important. You want to keep them more stretched so you get the length. Also, another tip, when you're curling your natural hair, you want to curl the hair, let it fall naturally, don't touch it, don't separate it. Let the hair cool without being bothered and curl your entire head. Once you're done curling your hair, then we're gonna prep the extensions. All I did to prep the hair extensions is brush through the hair straight out of the package. If you've already used your hair extensions and you've had them for a long time, what you want to do is just wash them, let them air dry naturally, and then just brush out the natural coily curl pattern. And this is what you get. So before and after. I just took large chunks on each extension left in little sections and wand curled the hair exactly the same as I did with my natural hair. But the difference with this one is every time you curl the hair, what you want to do as soon as you're done curling it and you release it from the wand, you want to pull it out just to stretch it and then let go. I found that the extension weft heats up a lot quicker, so it gives you a bit of a tighter curl than your natural hair would at this temperature. So you just want to make sure you stretch it out while it's still hot and then let it release and then let it cool unbothered. You want to go ahead and completely curl both of the wefts that you're using so they're prepped and ready to clip in your hair. I'm using the 5-clip weft and a small 4-clip weft. And what I'm going to do now is just run my finger through each curl just to separate them. Then I'm gonna fold the weft in half and I'm just gonna gently, very gently brush through the ends just to loosen that up, and that's what you get before, and this is what it's gonna look like after. I'm gonna put one weft here and then one weft here, so like towards the bottom and then towards the middle. The goal is just to add a little bit more volume. Not so much length. Clip-in extensions don't always have to add length. You can use them just to add volume. That's why I got the 14-inch wefts, because they match the length of my hair really well. So I'm just clipping up some hair very roughly. 5-clip weft. And I love the clips on these extensions. They're super strong and sturdy, easy to clip in, and the tips of the clip rounded, so it's not going to poke your head, it's not uncomfortable, they're just really easy. Just gonna pop that in, see how well that blends. Look at that. And the length is perfect, so I'm just gonna clip these in like so. Yeah, first one clipped in, and look at that. Look at this blend. Look at that. It's seamless. I'm gonna add one more clip just to even out the volume in here. So what I'm gonna do is just take the top portion of my hair, and that looks good. So this hair is gonna cover the next weft. I'm doing this very roughly. You can definitely be more calculated about it, and you definitely want to be more calculated about it if you're using more wefts. Because I'm only using 2, we're just kind of eyeballing it. And I love the sound. The clips make it so satisfying. Listen. You know it's secure. Taking this weft, I like to kind of place it first where I think I want it. Thin out the hair, see what you're working with. See if it looks right before you clip it in. Oh, look at that volume. Look at that fullness that it added. It's perfect. Clip it in. And I've done this style once before. Like as soon as I got the hair, I tested out this style. My curls were a lot tighter. If you just curl your hair tighter, you can get a similar look with just like tighter wand curls. But I'm going for a more blown out look today. Volume. Yes. I'm gonna take out the top portion, and from here I'm going to just separate my natural curls here. Just a couple, because I did really big chunks when I curled the hair. Just want to kind of separate them in half, just like you did the wefts. And there you have it. A beautiful blowout curl using just 2 wefts. You can totally make this like a banged look and bring the hair forward, and then you just have to curl these a little tighter. You can put it on a headband and rock it like that, but I'm just gonna do a middle part. I think it looks really cute. And from here, like, I'd like do my edges, style her up, but because I'm not going anywhere, I don't want to put a whole bunch of product in my hair. This texture match is spot on. That's it. Super simple, super easy blowout curls featuring Melanj hair, and you still have so many wefts. I hope this was helpful and easy to follow along, and we'll see you guys in the next one.